Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, everyone creating YouTube channel. What is the purpose? Mean. So I created, you created the YouTube channel. What is the purpose of YouTube channel will be created? YouTube channel will be created. The major thing is called YouTube channel creating for anyone to earning money from the by using Google option. So what are the techniques we have to follow by the YouTube earning money from that? First of all, YouTube earning money is completely dependent by the 1000 subscribers and 4000 hour of watch views. When it is successful done, the earning will be possible. So a lot of people are telling about that how to increase earning, how to increase earning, how to increase earnings. Earning increases depend on your watch minutes. So they're showing some views on your particular channel that is not for calculated. So what are the minutes they will watch? That all will be depend on your particular things here. So that all will be here in the particular manager option. In this, ad creations and any content will be published on the methods. So how will be showing to the customers? So in this views and the particular options. In this purpose, increase earning purpose, we have to use option will be called more than 8 minutes videos. What is the reason for 8 minutes videos? When coming to 8 minutes video, the monetization will be increased for earnings. The earning will be increased depend on total 5 ads. Display, overlay, sponsor cards, skippable and non-skippable. For suppose, so a lot of people are exposing for some content will be here in this YouTube. Just to open some content will be here. Just I can keep it on mute here. So why the people will be making some videos? So they make it some videos for purpose of the based on the ads, the getting earnings are in your particular post. This ad nothing but here that is called overlay ad. That is called overlay ad. In the right corner, any ad will be displayed that will be showing for sponsor card. Display also will be showing for in this. That will be showing where in this sponsor card. Any ad will be showing, no ads will be. This is a sponsor. In the right side corner, any ad will be showing will be here. That is called display ads. That will be called display ad. After that, skippable and non-skippable ads. So we can go for trending one in the particular videos. Now we have to play this video. And play this video. So why they're creating for this all kind of things content will be called particular ad purpose. Particular ad purpose. This all ad belongs to for where into the YouTube purpose. This will also will showing for overlay ad. Skippable and non-skippable rate we can show to the customers. They will be showing to the particular ad. Now it is showing for skip and non-skippable. When it's showing for non-skippable, the video ad will be 6 seconds. When it's showing for skip ad, more than 6 seconds. Some videos will be showing for more than 15 seconds also. So this all compared with the YouTube to earning money from your channel. So in this video, on the particular ad will be shown to customers that depend on the minutes will be less than 8 minutes and more than 8 minutes. More than 8 minutes video, we can creating for mid-roll ads. That mean by we can select a certain time to ad will be created will be here. So this all will be. So select the R format, anyone, and click for ad break. So this is only possible by the 8 minutes. Previous, they will be showing only for after 10 minutes. Now it is changing for update will be after 8 minutes. But content is too good is compulsory important. Content will be too good, compulsory important. Content thumbnails and what are the things you have to do it. Everything will be complete information will be here. The content very useful. Definitely the people will be watch. They click for subscribers. The subscriber will be increased depend on your posting on your content here. That is useful content is more important. And always remember guys, if anybody creating YouTube channel, There is not for any time pass purpose. You create the good content and increase the thumbnail and better subscriber purpose. And one more important information, your channel daily upload video compulsory. This is a compulsory, you have to follow that daily video compulsory upload for your channel. If you are not uploading daily video, weekly 5 videos compulsory upload by your channel. That is a complete nothing but increase your ratio per minute. That is RPM will be increased on your particular channel. So any kind of video, if increase the earnings based on the watch minutes, more than 8 minutes, the increased ads are very much. So that is called, if you are creating any kind of videos, the compulsory we have to follow by the more than 8 minutes video, they increase the earnings also. They increase the earnings also. So this method we can follow that and increase earning on your YouTube channel. There is a very benefit for the users to increase earnings on your channel. First thing is called, any YouTube channel first of all need for 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch views. That is compulsory important. Next will be content is compulsory good, and each content you have to use for the proper thumbnail that depend on your getting for good subscribers, and your channel will be content is good. Daily we can upload the one video is the must and should important, increase the viewership, and second thing will be connecting with the public to increase our earning purpose. So this all instruction we can follow and increase your YouTube channel views and earnings. Complete things are here. Any information we have to know about that, we have to install by the vidIQ toolbar. Is a compulsory YouTubers using this option. That's mean by how to get more views and subscriber on YouTube. This will be give the score of your particular channel. Which score? When you click for edit, in the right hand column, they're showing for your score. What the best score and worst score, everything information they give by here. So this follow instruction we have to install by the vidIQ browser extension toolbar. That will be Chrome extension. Once your Chrome extension will be done, the compulsory login will be mandatory field. That is, don't forget the login. The once your login will be done, they're showing your proper score and how many people watching your videos, and per hour how many people are watching your video views. These all information will give by vidIQ toolbar. They suggested by best keyword, they suggested by the best SEO score, and how many people watching per hour. They're showing for results also. Simple, you can selecting for this video. If you go into right side column, so how many people watching per hour, we can check it out here. View per hour, 6,681 people watching for watch per hour. Total 3.3 million views. And these are the score for SEO score. This all information given by vidIQ toolbar. This toolbar compulsory we have to use and increase your YouTube earnings and based on your particular option. Major important point here, this very important key point. When people will uploading video, the major key point we can compulsory sharing for social media is compulsory important. Proper using for title, description is compulsory important, and we can using for end screen cards is compulsory important. These are all policy we have to follow the instructions. So the way you can find out here, title perfect, tag perfect, description perfect. They're missing for cards, end screen, high resolution thumbnail, shade on Facebook and public. These are all major key point we have to using for each and every video uploading time. So compulsory they will showing for the particular option. So the key point are very important on the particular YouTube channel, increase for earning purpose. Follow these instructions and increase your earnings. One is called good content, best thumbnail. If you increase more earnings, the video will be more than 8 minutes compulsory required. So the depend on the any will be increased and every benefit will be depend on your content. So use this policy and increase your vidIQ toolbar score and subscriber purpose. So these all will be very, very important on the particular YouTubers earning money purpose. So who will be suggest tag? The tag will be suggest by the vidIQ toolbar. So compulsory we have to follow instruction will be here. And very important thing is called every channel we have setting will be there. In the setting will be the channel keywords are there. What are your complete channel keywords? You have writing for will be here. That is called keyword analysis from SEO on the particular channel purpose. The channel will be highlighted by using for channel keywords and your country and your name. So don't forget the you're adding for channel keywords to increase your channel views and earning purpose. Follow instructions and increase your views, earnings, and subscribers based on the good content based on SEO for keywords. Once upload the video and don't forget to sharing for social media and backlinks using the website. So how we can sharing for social media and website YouTube backlinks? We all discuss about in next class. And don't forget to increase earnings. The earning will be increased depend on only for content, thumbnail, more than 8 minutes video. There is a follow the good content. Definitely you can increase earnings on the YouTube channel option. Don't forget these all options on your particular things. So here we'll write in this option. Channel keywords is showing for setting option. So instruction we can follow and promote your keywords. So this is a method we have to follow the increase earnings on YouTube channel option. Don't forget guys, if anybody have doubts on the YouTube earnings, definitely you can meet me on the comment box and definitely will be support about your beginner channels. Any kind of issues about subscribers, your content and content will be views problem. This compulsory depend on your keyword is the most powerful by the to increase your YouTube channel video views and increase your content will be getting for more subscribers. So guys, if any further doubt, please ask me. I definitely will be support your beginner channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, ask your own questions. I definitely will be support through my channel and your support by your video will be shared on by my YouTube channel also will be support as a free of cost. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.